guys, it's me again, Abiodun James. Check out this lovely design, gypsum and importer POP gold design. As you can see, this is lovely with 4 LED lights. As you can see, with 5 LED lights. As you can see, we have this one at the edges. We have the 4 at the edges, and we have the one at the center with 2 ceiling fans. As you can see, this grace is different. This is special order. As you can see, this is black and white. Check out the beauty. As you can see, this is lovely design from us. As you can see, you can contact Abiodun James for a project. We'll definitely give you the best. As you can see, this is very lovely design. Very lovely design. Check out the beauty. As you can see, this is lovely for your living room. This is lovely for your living room. This is very lovely for your living room. You can see, you can use cellophane with this type of bedrooms. You can use your cellophane. You can see this is 2 cellophane, and we have 1 cellophane for the dining, and then 4 LED lights, AKT. That's the product. We have this lovely design for the dining area. As you can see, you can contact us for a project. We definitely give you the best. Thanks for watching. Please share it to your friends, and don't forget to turn down the notification below so that you can be updated when we upload the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you.